Hi, welcome to Auntie Nat's Crochet. Thank you for choosing this tutorial video. Do check out my other videos too. If you don't mind, please do subscribe to my channel. The subscribe button is on the bottom right of this video and also at the end of the video. I have 100 sewer videos from crochet to amigurumi, clothes to bags, toys to hats, and lots more to come. So do check it out. And today I'm going to make a flat heart shape, not a plumb up one, not a 3D, it's a 2D heart shape. I need this heart shape for my next amigurumi project. So actually there are a few ways of making a flat heart shape. Let me just show you one of it. You have to start with a magic ring. So normally I will use 2 fingers to hold my yarn, make a cross, turn it over, hold it with your 3rd finger, put your hook here, grab a yarn and make a knot. So you have a knot here into the ring. So now I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2. After I chain 2, I'm going to do a treble crochet. Treble crochet means you have to yarn over twice, put it into the ring, you put through 2, put through 2, and you put through 2. And I'm going to do 2 more. You need 3 treble crochet here. So I did 1, so now I'm going to do 2 more. So the type of yarn and the hook size can really determine the size of the heart. So I have 3 here. Now I'm going to do 3 double crochet. Double crochet means you just yarn over once, you don't have to yarn over twice, and you put through 2, you put through 2. This is 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. So after this 3 double crochet, I'm going to chain 1. And we're going to do the whole thing again. Oh no, sorry, this is the bottom part here. I'm going to do a treble first. After the chain 1, I'm going to yarn over twice and do a treble crochet. After this treble crochet, I'm going to chain 1 and I'm going to work backwards here. That is the 3 double crochet. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. So this is 3 double crochet. I'm going to pull this first, make it smaller. So after this 3 double crochet, I'm going to do 3 treble crochet, which is yarn over 2, put through 2, put through 2, put through 2. So we're going to do 3 of these. So you see you can get a flat heart shape in no time. Just need you about 5-10 minutes. And now we're going to chain 2 and going to slip stitch into the ring. Again, I'm going to chain 1, pull tight, kind of lock it, and I can cut the yarn. So before I cut the yarn, we're going to pull this part first. We're going to seal the hole. and there you have a heart shape. So here, depending whether you would want to use this to sew it onto your amigurumi, I need a long tail, so I'm gonna leave a longer tail so that I can sew this onto my amigurumi. So there, this is a heart shape. And as for this tail here, you can use a tapestry needle and hide it inside here, inside this, hide as much as you can. Or because I'm going to sew this onto an amigurumi, I can just hide it inside when I sew it. So make sure you pull this tight. There it is. So this is one way of doing an amigurumi. This is one way of doing a 2D heart shape. And now I'll get to the second way. Okay, now the second method, the heart will be smaller. So same thing, we're gonna make a magic ring. So inside the magic ring, we're gonna start with a single crochet, followed by a excuse me, followed by a half double crochet, yarn over, put it into the ring, and you put through all three. This is a half double crochet, and then you're going to do a double crochet, yarn over, put through two, put through two. And from here, if you want to make it into a smaller heart, we stop here and we start to work our way back. We're going to do chain 2. I'm going to slip stitch into the ring. Slip stitch means go to the ring and just put through. Slip stitch into the ring. And then we're going to chain 1. We're going to do a double crochet. Oops, sorry. We're going to do a double crochet, followed by a half double crochet, followed by a single crochet. So you're going to pull this, and we're going to chain 2 and slip stitch onto the first stitch, the first one here. So you're going to pull this tight, and here you have a smaller heart shape. So same thing here, I'm going to chain 1, pull tight, and there you have it, smaller heart shape. Pull this tight, shape it around. And if you want to sew this onto your amigurumi, make sure you leave a long tail. If you're not going to sew it, then you cut your tail shorter and hide it in between here. I normally will hide it in the magic ring here, inside the magic ring, with a tapestry needle. And just go through here, all this. Go through all this and hide your yarn inside. This is very tight, so it's kind of lock it. This is a smaller heart. And now I'm going to go for a bigger heart, a slightly bigger heart. Same thing. We're going to start with the magic ring. So inside the magic ring, same thing. I'm going to do a single crochet, a half double crochet, means you yarn over, go into the ring, pull out a loop and put through all 3. Then we're going to do a double crochet. Gonna put through 2, put through 2. So since this heart is going to be bigger, we're going to add one more treble crochet. So you're going to yarn over twice, and you're going to put through 2, 2 and 2, and you're going to chain 2 and slip stitch into the ring. Pull this a bit, pull the magic ring a bit, and now we're going to work on the other side of the heart. So now I'm going to chain 3, yarn over twice, because we end with the treble crochet. We're going to start with the treble crochet, yarn over 2, yarn over 2 and yarn over 2. Then we're going to do a double crochet, a half double crochet and a single crochet, and we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and the same thing, we're going to slip stitch onto the first stitch here and pull this so this one will be slightly bigger than this, slightly bigger, and same thing, I'm gonna chain 1, pull tight here, kind of make a knot, and I'm gonna leave a long tail because I need to sew this onto my amigurumi. So this is one shape, one heart shape, 2 heart shape, and if you want it to make it even bigger than this, slightly bigger than this, maybe we should do this. Same thing, we're gonna start off with a magic ring, so into the magic ring I'm gonna do a single crochet, followed by a half double crochet, means you yarn over and put through all 3, followed by a double crochet. You're gonna put through 2 by 2, and then you're gonna do a treble crochet. You're gonna put through 2 by 2 by 2, and let me pull this first, make it smaller, And this time round we're gonna do one more treble that we would yarn over 3 times. Just now we yarn over twice, now we're gonna yarn over 3 times. And you're gonna put through 2 by 2. So once you come to this point, you chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch into the ring. Go into the ring and do a slip stitch. So after we have slip stitch, now we're gonna build the other side, so it'll be the same as this. This time we're gonna chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and yarn over 3 times. Yarn over 3 times on your hook, and you put through 2 by 2. So after a treble, we yarn over 3 times. Now we're going to yarn over twice. Put through 2 by 2. Then we're going to follow by a double crochet. And a half double crochet. And a single crochet. So after this single crochet, I'm gonna chain 2 and slip stitch onto the first stitch here. Oops. Slip stitch onto the first stitch. Chain 1 to lock it and pull this tight, and you get another heart shape. This is a bit different. Here will be wider. So like usual, I am going to leave a tail so that I can sew this onto my amigurumi. And the tail here from the magic ring, I will use a tapestry needle to hide it inside here later on. So thank you for watching. This is the few ways of making a heart shape. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and do watch out for my new amigurumi that uses this heart shape. So see you in my next post.